everyone to our On Fire training, internet marketing. Grab a notebook. Tonight we're talking about how to market your business by video marketing. And we're going to use YouTube. YouTube's free. If you have a Gmail account, just log into YouTube. You already have a YouTube account. Log in. And there's a place there where you can upload videos. But you want to go into the upload and find the webcam capture and hit record. Now, what's nice about this, you hit record when you're ready, take a deep breath. And the first one I did about 70 times. And I ended up using the first one, I think. But just get comfortable on camera. You can see I'm still not, but what's nice, you can play, you can start it over, you can start over, you can start over until you get it just like you want it, and then you hit upload, and it's published. And then you add a link to your website and add tags. Tags are like keywords. And you're good to go. And then you want to share it. We're going to show you 3 places tonight we're going to cover. And then, of course, you want to hit all the social marketing sites, Facebook, Twitter, StumbleUpon, and there's tons of them. All right. We're going to focus on, and I'm going to start with IBO Toolbox because we covered that last couple of weeks. We were talking about it. So I'm going to give you the link to IBO. If I can. All right, you're gonna have to find that on the onfiretraining.com. Go to onfiretraining.com Toolbox. Okay, can everybody hear me okay still? Just type a yes in the or no in the chat box. Okay. So we're gonna look at IBO Toolbox real quick, Staged, and Fiverr. Anybody familiar with Fiverr? You're gonna love it. All right, so we're going to start screen sharing. I get a quick look at it. There's our room to infinity. Okay, and then I got to leave the room to share my screen. So that's where my monitor comes in. And if you see any problems, chat in there. All right. This is our training site, and you can enter, everything we do is on here. Okay, I'm just seeing the delay. If you came in late, we're in a hotel, so we have a plug-in connection, old, what do you call it? Ethernet connection. This is our training site, and you can find IBO Toolbox. In T-Box. We got free places to advertise. We got paid places to advertise. And there's some banners. Here's IBO. All right. So you got to join. You got to join it first, and then once you join and log in, once you log in, you'll have a dashboard, just like your wall in Facebook. Okay. And over here, you'll see IBO Tube. And like I said, you want to join first, and this is totally free. Everything's free here. And then you can enter the IBO2. Okay, and it's a website just like YouTube, only it's all business. All right, that's the difference. And IBO Toolbox is integrated, highly integrated with Google. Google loves it. All right, so you just go in here and upload your videos. You can also do it on your, as you upload your videos into here, you have a social page. It will show up on your social page as well. Okay, let me come back in the room for a second, see if I can get that link up there. No, see, there you go. You click on that, it'll open in a new window, and you can go back to it later. All right, the next program we're going to show you is staged. Well, no, we want to go to YouTube first. All right, so let's jump on over to YouTube. Okay, you've probably seen this on my websites. It's hosted on YouTube. So what you do, you go to upload. All right, now you'd click here, select files to upload, and it'll browse your computer. That's if you have a video on your computer. Over here is webcam capture, record. So that's what we want to do. Now you can also, if you're shy, you can upload some photos and make a slideshow where you don't have to be seen and talk. You can play with that, but you want to get used to being on camera. So you hit record. Now I don't know if this is going to work while I'm recording on in. No, it's there. Okay, it looks like the camera's doing both things. And then you start recording, and you want to say something short, maybe write it out, but try to memorize it. And I just wing it, because you can start over. Thank you for visiting my site. See, that's what I do, and then I stop it. Fill out the short form to the right or click on the button below, and you're going to be amazed at what you see inside. Okay, stop recording. That was terrible. Okay, so you hit stop recording, and it generates, and then you can play it. Thank you for visiting my site. See, that's what I do, and then I stop it. Fill out the short form to the right or click on the button below. You're going to be amazed at what you see inside. Okay, so that's what you do. You start over. Hi, this is Frank Lefebre, founder of On Fire to Retire. We got something new and exciting to show you. Fill out the short form or click on the link below, and we'll see you on the inside. Something like that. Now, once it's done, you just hit upload. I'll probably delete this. And that was real short, so it shouldn't take too long. But you put your title in here. Never before seen. And I bought the URL. Retire Everybody okay over there? Give me a yes or no. All right, now these are the tags I was talking about. You say, okay, good. Home, business, enter, work from home, and make money online. Usually put my name in there. You put some things that you think people would be searching for to find your video, and then save changes. Okay, public. It's giving me a hard time. Okay, there it is. We're live. Hi, this is Frank Lefebre, founder of On Fire to Retire. We got something new and exciting to show you. Fill out the short form or click on the link below and we'll see you on the inside. That's terrible. That's okay. We'll do it again. So now you have, when somebody goes to your YouTube page, okay, we're on that page. Oh, I'm still in the editor, but they'll see your link. All right. And you have a video manager where you can see all your videos. You can edit it here. You can delete it. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Can't see anything but you. You guys, everybody's still in the room. Can you hear me and see me okay? Tony, yes. Hi, JC. Okay, so we're back in YouTube. There's the link. Okay, everything looks good. Save. Usually it says where the URL is up here. There's the URL. Hi, this is Frank Lefebre, founder of. Obviously, I'm not going to use that, but here's the link. Okay, crazy simple, and I didn't put a big description in there, but when they click there, they'll go to your website. And we've been saying, it's best to do a capture page, and we've had training on capture pages. All right, so this kind of leads people to your capture page. I just want to encourage you to get on there. There's only a couple people on my team that actually do videos, and one's way better than me. So, but just get on there and practice, and then when you get one half decent, then you want to promote it. Okay, I'm going to come back in the room for a second because I'm trying to share some links with you and it's not letting me. Get an error message. Okay, let's see if I have it in here. Okay, let's go here next. I'll just give you this link. You click on that, it should open in a new window. This is free to join as well. You could spend a day in here. It's really fun. This is called Fiverr, and it's based on everything was $5. Okay, waiting for the screen to share. And what I did, I typed in there YouTube traffic. Okay, I think my screen is not sharing. Can you see Fiverr, or you still see the room? There it is. Yeah, it's running real slow, Tom. Okay, so you go to Fiverr, Five, 5 and 2Rs.com. And look for it. There's tons and tons of stuff on here, but just type in YouTube traffic or YouTube hits, YouTube views, YouTube, and there's tons of them. And I try to find ones that have a good feedback rating. And this gal here had the best one. But you can see here, I will publish your video on 15 high traffic websites, $5. So let's just go there for a second. She has 57 votes, 98% positive rating. All right, so she's delivering. And there's comments down below. You got a thumb, and I don't know who she is. I'm not advertising for her. I guess I am. Hooray! You get a thumbs up from so and so. Delivered faster than I thought. I will do business again. And then she answers her uh, comments. That's nice. She's a live, real person. Excellent work. I will use your services again. Thanks. Okay, but there's tons of these places on here. This one here is pretty good. 97%. I will create 60 plus PR9 backlinks from YouTube videos in your niche for $5. 371 votes, 97%. Okay, this costs you $5 for all this exposure. You go to your YouTube video, the ones that are interested in what you say, so get it right. we'll click on your site. All right, and there's all kind of stuff. You know, if you forget YouTube, just look at what people will do to advertise your site. There's people, I'll put out 200 flyers. I'll tweet your website. You know, I'll hold up a sign and give you a voiceover, whatever. Fiverr is a fun place to look around, but that's a great place to share videos. Share your videos. Okay, the next place we want to look at is Staged. Now, I've been a member of this for a while. I haven't advertised it. Let me come back in the room for a second. I'm going to stop sharing. Maybe that'll help it. I'm sorry, Tom. We'll see how the video turns out. It's going to be pretty wild. Just give me 1 sec to find the link. I had all the links in there, and these conference rooms have a bit of a problem too. You're all still there, so somebody's hearing me. All right, here is staged. So what you do, you click on it, it'll open up in a new tab and then come back to this tab and you can go check it out later. All right. Now, I've been in this since it started, which was at least a year ago, more like maybe 18 months. Hi, John. And let me do the screen sharing again. Let's see if it works this time, Tom, since I restarted it. All right, I'm just going to show you some stats. I'll show you what a stage is. Okay, so total stages creating. Basically, is 1009. Basically, a stage is this. Okay, it's the same YouTube video that you created, only you put it on a stage, you frame it. Okay, it's taking a while to, there's a delay. You are still in the room. Do you ever watch, even CNN has a delay. They talk to somebody and then they talk 10-second delay. Okay, it just came up on my monitor over there on my other computer. So you have a stage. I mean, you're staging your YouTube video. This is my On Fire to Retire or Top Money Makers. And then you can put your own banner at the top. You can put banners and advertisements down the side. You can even put a capture form on here at the bottom. And Staged has an awesome compensation plan. Okay, let's go back to some statistics here. I've created 1,000 of these stages. All right. Got 13,908 banner clicks and total views 58,000. Okay, now that's on 1,000. So again, it's based on doing a little bit and multiplying it. Like that $20 program and multiplying it. Doing a little bit of advertising every day, so everything compounds and builds. All right. That's all time last 24 hours. There's some statistics. Most stages created in the last 24 hours. Frank Lefebre, 167. Second place is 67. So I got 100 more than number 2. All right. That's what you got to do. Advertise, advertise, advertise everywhere you can. This is a very effective way. Videos are big. Take a look at the stage link. Check it out. You can see I'm a premium member. And with a premium membership, you get a robot that actually creates these stages for you. And they're not, now the other thing that's cool, these are not all, they don't have to all be your videos. I mean, I do not have 1,000 videos, okay? What you're doing with Stage, let me show you. Okay, some of these are mine, but this little guy over here is a robot. So he's gonna start making me 1,000 of these a month. So here's a David Letterman, and I have it set to pick popular videos. Yeah, that's real popular. It doesn't exist. Good sample. Okay, so it's a dud. I don't even know if I want to show this. North Korea's new propaganda video. We're not going to play this.
today they released a new propaganda video. This
Oh,
time,
it's Conan. All right, so this is a popular video.
is really serious. Check it out.
So you're getting a popular video on here that people are searching, and they're going to find your stage. All right, and then they're going to see your stuff. All right. Want to make extra money sharing videos, get on fire to retire. All right, so that's pretty much what Staged is about. The other place I mentioned was, there's tons of them. StumbleUpon. There's my profile there. And you can see I have 589 likes, 486 comments, 329 people following me, or I'm following. I have 108 followers, okay? And I'm not on here every day, you know? Doesn't say how many videos I have, does it? Anyway, that's StumbleUpon, StumbleUpon.com. That's another one. And, you know, in future webinars, we're going to show you some techniques for posting on multiple social media. Right? That's another thing about Stage. When you create a stage, you can automatically share it. You know, Facebook, Twitter, StumbleUpon, Dig, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. And Google Plus is, you know, if you have a Gmail account, you want to join Google Plus, and just start posting on it. Google loves itself. So if you use Google Plus and Google bought YouTube, so you're doing good on Google. They're the #1 site in the world. So get yourself on YouTube, make me a little short video and share it with me. You can practice on me. I won't laugh, I promise. Okay, guys. Any questions at all? Unless everything's frozen, I see y'all still here. Oops. Okay, I want to thank you all for attending. You can visit our training site and see archived videos and recordings and training sessions at onfiretraining.com. Onfire